Take one. Hi guys, I'm Beth Cooke and I just wanted to share with you my beauty routine. I get started with Well People Bio Tint. I use the color medium and I'm just gonna take a little bit out. I put it on my hand real quick, give a little swipe underneath my eyes so that when I wake up early in the morning, I'll look a little bit more awake, a little bit more bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Next step, I really love Bare Minerals in soft medium. So I set this right underneath, a little bit in my T-zone. My mom taught me that too. For my brows, I like to use a nice brush by NYX. So I just put a little bit underneath the brow to make me look more awake. So I just put it right in the middle over here, adds a little structure to my face. And then last but not least, my favorite product, Chanel mascara. And it has a 3D printed wand. I just rub it into my lashes, try not to get it in my hair. Oh, gosh, yeah, it really does the trick. It does it every time. Voila, I'm ready to go.